G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen, the ice cream bloke and self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School here, and it's nice to have you along in this episode of the Scoop School show. Now, we down here at Scoop School do a lot of waffle cone rolling, and there are many ice cream shops, hundreds, perhaps thousands and thousands of ice cream shops that also do their own waffle cones. And from time to time, your waffle cone machine will get very seasoned, meaning that there is a whole lot of build-up here of your canola oil or your non-stick oil, as well as a lot of the residue from your waffle cones. Now, we down here at Scoop School use Cobatco as a waffle cone source for the machines, for the rollers and the mix. And look, there are a lot of different companies. This video certainly is not sponsored by Cobatco, although we do use their products here at Scoop School, and we've always found them to be very reliable. But what happens when you've got a hot plate like this that really is just so seasoned that it makes the process of making a waffle cone really ineffective? Well, in some waffle cone machines you can change out the plates. That's relatively rare. A lot of waffle cone manufacturers, Cobatco does the same, where they rotate a new machine out to you if something ever goes wrong with this, or you've got issues with the plates. You can simply send this one back, they'll send you another one. Now that's generally the clause is that you should be using or must be using their waffle cone mix, and we do here. It's a fantastic mix. We can customize it as we want. So today we're doing an unboxing. We're going to ship this fella back to Cobatco to get all nicely spruced up. It can go back into their inventory, and we are going to unbox a brand new Cobatco waffle cone machine. So you'll find that when these grooves here become filled, or at least lessened, with the residue of your canola oil, your non-stick oil, your cooking oil, time to either get them sandblasted if you can. In this case, we're sending this back to Cobatco. So we'll put this one over here. And here is our brand new box. Now, the good folks at Cobatco have got this down pretty well. So what they end up doing is they send you the box, you take your brand new or your reconditioned waffle cone machine out of it, you put the old one back in, shipping's already paid for. Manual, filler, and there she blows. They do a great job of packaging this so that it really gets very well protected by these cushions and pads and so forth. So let's bring this fella out. And there you have it. So nice plastic bag, keep it nice and clean for you. And there you go, look at that. Woo! Beautiful. It really is as easy as that. There's not a lot of fluff, not a lot of stuff in here. Simply the waffle cone machine and the handle and your instruction manual. Again, as with everything that we have in our facility here, everything that you have in your store, you really should have some kind of folder or binder or file where you keep all of your manuals in. For common sense reasons, obviously you want to be able to access it if you need to, but if anything goes wrong with this unit, if you have an employee burn their hands or perhaps something happens, the health department may ask for this manual in a pinch, so it's good to be able to have it rather than rummaging around the drawers in the back of the shop trying to find it. So always keep these in a safe place. And there you have it, folks. Pretty quick video today. There really wasn't much to the unboxing. I will tell you that the people at Cobatco here do a great job of making a product that is extremely sturdy, and we're going to be putting this through its paces in Scoop School, and we're going to put the old one back in the box. In fact, let's do that now. Okay, there you go. That was relatively easy. Now, it really hardly seems fair to send this soiled unit back after they've given us a new one, but that's the program and that's the beauty of the Cobatco process. Again, you've got to be using their powdered mix. Cobatco.com is where you find that, or a distributor for that. We'll just pop the lid back on and then see how we go. Now once the packing is back in, the one thing you'll need to do is make sure that the internal portions of this box are covered with your return label. So what ends up happening is that you'll have two labels on this, the one that was on the outside when it arrived, and then when you're returning it, you simply pop it back so that your return label, which is taken care of by the good folks at Cobatco, tape it up, it's ready to go. There you go. Who's this from? FedEx. So just take this to another FedEx ground office, and there you go. Couldn't be easier. So we're going to take the new one through its paces. We're doing a bit of a video series here on waffle cones, how to do the best waffle cones and so forth, some different options for flavouring. Yeah, appreciate you being along. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We'll see you in the next video.